So I'm going to show you really quickly how to turn the grid on in Illustrator. This will help you with creating icons that have a similar size and visual weight as you're designing. So if you come into Illustrator, at the top menu, you just choose View, and then you're going to choose Show Grid. Super easy. Then we've got our grid showing up. Then what you can do is you can take a square and you can drag out a square to be as big as you want your icons to be. So if you hold shift, it keeps the perfect square. So let's say I was going to do 4 icons. I can take my square, hold Option on a Mac, Alt on a PC to copy the exact same size and fill the exact same amount of space. Option on a Mac, Alt on a PC, I held shift to select both of them at the same time. And then I've got my 4 squares. So I'm going to center them on the artboard. There we go. And then I'm going to make sure my rulers are showing. So Command R on a Mac, Control R on a PC. And then I can click and drag guides around my squares so that I don't have to design with all these grids going on. This is just to help me create the sizing and the guides so I know how big visually I want each of my icons to be. So I clicked and dragged all my guides. Then I can hit V, the shortcut for the black arrows V, Shift to select all of them. I'm going to delete them. Then I'm going to come back up here, hide grid, and there I've got the space that I have set apart for each of my icons. And so that's a quick tutorial to help you out this week. Let me know if you have any questions.